Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Delica here with me for a quick review. This is, a special version of your regular Delica. It's going to be around $200 US. It's made in Japan. It's a nice lockback. It has a closed size of 4.2 inches, and when it's open it's 7.15, so pretty small knife, I would say. Very nice to EDC it every day. This special version has titanium scales with a nice bead blast finish. The drop point blade is VG10 Damascus, but with the VG10 core. This is like 3 inches, almost a little bit under 3 inches, with a full flat grind. The sound it makes, it's a very snappy and secure noise. Very cool. The weight of this guy is a little bit over the FRN version, weighing in at 2.9 ounces. The clip, it's pretty cool because it's polished, and the fit and finish overall is very nice. I don't see like many gaps except for this little one over here. So overall, beautiful. The grip is nice. It feels nice and secure. There's a little bit of a hot spot, from this clip ramp over here. You have a nice jimping, nice thumb ramp. So overall the grip is going to be pretty nice. It's overall pretty smooth, a little bit slow, on the deployment, but the tent is strong, the walk and talk is nice, and overall it's a pretty EDC blade. Alright, there you go. So if you want to know more, please check the full length review, but thanks for watching and stay tuned.